This is the true sea moss gel superfood mango flavor. Sent to me to review. Let's see what it smells like. Ooh, mango. This one is really, really orange and thicker. This one's ingredients: purified water, mango puree, wild-crafted sea moss, rowanberry extract, monk fruit juice concentrate, and ascorbic acid. Let's go. It's good. I don't taste the sea moss, but it's not as strong of a flavor as the pineapple and the passion fruit. So it's very mild. So in that way, it's not as delicious, but it's really good. I like it. But I think my all-time favorite is still the pineapple mango combo. 2 tablespoons per serving, 10 calories, 15 servings per jar, no fat, 70 milligrams sodium, 2 grams of carbohydrates, no fiber, 1 gram of sugar, no protein. And you got iron, potassium, magnesium, iodine. Yeah, this one's good, mango.